Ibrahim, we're playing the tiny games. It's called Kiss or Slap. So you either kiss me or game, kiss or slap. Kiss or slap? Yeah, slap. I'm going to this side. Hey, kiss or slap? Kiss or slap?
Oh yeah.
See me? She's a kiss or slap? No way. Tife, kiss or slap? Kiss. Kiss or slap? Baby, kiss or slap? Slap, kiss. Slap. I love JNK, kiss or slap? I'll slap you. Ari, kiss or slap? Kiss, baby. Yeah, come on.
Boring.
Sammy, kiss or slap?
It's for sure.
This one. Happy, kiss or slap?
Kiss.
Mommy, if you slap me, it's a problem. Kiss or slap?
I want to slap her, but I don't have all the toy. Just
last but not the least. Grandma, kiss or slap? Kiss or slap?
this now.
Oh, daddy, come.
Obviously, you know what your dad would do.
Daddy,
Yeah.
kiss or slap?
Kiss.
Please, can we get more drinks?
Especially the shirts. Where is Lydia?
Lydia's over there.
You want some? That's good though.
That's really bad of you. Eh?
What?
They asked. I didn't tell them.
I actually right now.
Excuse me, please, can we get champagne? Yeah. Who said you wanted champagne? JMK. Champagne, guys. Can the glass go around? You don't want champagne?
I mean, your dad.
The salad. Sherry wants more pizza.
I'll go.
Okay, yeah. I need champagne. Yeah.
Angel.
Oh, thank you, Sammy. What's there? Sammy gave me a gift. The gift says you love me. Yeah, I want champagne. Thank you. Should I open it now or is it a secret gift? I should open it now. Okay, cool. Hey guys, Sammy gave me this. Daddy, say hi. Daddy boy.
Hi.
Is it yesterday that your dad shot the dad? No. He shot the he put the shot in me and
Be like, say, don't shy you.
and then yesterday the product came out, which was Sunday.
What's she talking about?
I don't know.
We're not going to be saying that on live.
Hi guys, I'm sorry. Mommy is eating pizza, so I'm drinking champagne.
She's talk like let's not even talk about it. Please, I beg.